Hi everybody, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year coming up for 2022 for you. My name is Jonathan Reeves and I'm going to basically be giving away some really nice content for you over the next few days to celebrate hitting 10,000 subscribers on my channel. And I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who've joined up this year and hopefully you've enjoyed some of the videos I've made. Now, I'll also just wanted to mention my new book, Revolutionise You Rendering with Twinmotion. It's a really nice book that's available in EPUB and PDF format, and you can just click onto the store, download it and read it on the iPad. It's a fantastic looking book with 322 pages and lots of really nice information and case studies. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be giving away some of the initial videos I made on a Twinmotion training series that I still actually sell on the store at the moment. I'm going to give these away for absolutely free for you and I hope you enjoy them. So many thanks for watching and I really look forward to seeing more of you joining the channel this year for a good 2022 for all of you. Well everybody, to mark hitting 10,000 subscribers on my channel, I'm in a generous mood and I'm going to be giving away a bunch of videos that I made for Twinmotion training course earlier this year. So you can see, here we go on the store page, you can buy Twinmotion if you like, you've got my lovely book here, but I just wanted to really show you the Twinmotion training course and some of the content available. Now it's still available on the store and it still sells pretty well, so it's a great way to learn the software. And you can see we break it down into things like the interface where we kind of go through. We'll talk about things like libraries and objects and how to work with those and import them from various softwares. Of course, materials is a big thing that we'll be talking about and focusing on how to customize those materials to your own requirements as well. We also go into things like Quixel materials and how to work with those. There's a really nice tutorials on landscape and environments as well. We'll focus on importing models from whatever CAD software or BIM software you're using, things like Vectorworks and so on as well. Now, one of the most important aspects of real-time rendering, of course, is lighting. So we've got a very nice tutorial and section on this. And we'll talk about exporting images and videos as well. And this is really nice. So you can actually kind of generate the best output possibly from your model. And finally, we've got a couple of really nice in-depth, quite long tutorials, which take you through an entire process from start to finish to create an interior scene for an office tutorial, but this could apply to anything else as well. So I do hope you enjoyed the Twinmotion training course. As I say, lovely to see you all joining the channel and looking forward to a very fantastic year with more subscribers and lots more videos to come. So thank you for watching. Let's get going.